Welcome to Benshine Bags, your trusted OEM bag production facility in Xiamen, China, with our strategic location. We're just 40 minutes from Xiamen Gaoqi International Airport and 30 minutes from the high-speed railway station, providing easy access for efficient logistics. Covering over 3,000 square meters and staffed by more than 50 skilled employees. Our factory has a production capacity of 50,000 bags per month. We utilize 30 single-needle sewing machines, 8 double-needle machines, and 2 computerized sewing machines, allowing us to handle a wide range of custom bag orders with precision and efficiency. With years of expertise in custom bag manufacturing, we are proud to be trusted by leading brands, including Bosch, FedEx, Hyundai, Skechers, and more. Our experience in OEM production ensures we bring customers' unique designs to life while maintaining the highest quality standards. Let's take a closer look at our versatile range of tool bags, designed to meet the needs of professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Our tool bags feature durable, wear-resistant materials to handle tough environments, spacious compartments to organize tools of various sizes, and reinforced bottoms for added strength and stability. Adjustable straps and ergonomic designs ensure maximum comfort, even during long days on the job. These bags are perfect for carrying tools to construction sites, workshops, or repair jobs. For heavy-duty tools, we offer extra thick designs to ensure durability and reliability. Whether you need a compact solution for quick tasks or a large capacity bag for extensive projects, our collection has you covered. Choose the tool bag that works as hard as you do. At our factory, every tool bag is crafted with precision and care through a streamlined production process. From selecting high-quality, durable materials to cutting, stitching, and assembling, each step is meticulously monitored by our skilled workers. Our advanced equipment and professional craftsmanship ensure that every detail, from reinforced seams to ergonomic designs, meets the highest standards. To guarantee quality, we implement rigorous inspection protocols at every stage of production. From material testing to final product checks, we ensure that our tool bags are reliable, durable, and ready for tough tasks. Watch as our dedicated team brings innovation and expertise together to create tool bags that exceed expectations. Our tool bags have earned the trust of clients worldwide, including collaborations with leading companies in construction, automotive repair, and home improvement industries. One of our satisfied clients shared how our durable, large-capacity tool bags streamline their team's efficiency on construction sites, withstanding heavy usage and tough environments. Another customer praised the customizable designs, which allowed them to showcase their brand logos while meeting specific storage needs. These real-world success stories reflect our commitment to delivering high-quality, reliable products that meet the demands of professionals. Join our growing list of happy clients and experience the difference our tool bags can make for your business. Our custom service begins with the design process. Whether you have a specific concept or need guidance, our experienced team is ready to collaborate, ensuring every detail reflects your brand. We offer a wide range of materials, from durable and eco-friendly fabrics to premium insulation for thermal bags, so you can choose the perfect options to fit your purpose and budget. One of our key strengths is flexibility. We understand that different businesses have different needs, so we offer adaptable minimum order quantities for custom designs. Our mock starts at just 300 pieces, allowing businesses of all sizes to access high-quality custom bags without large inventory commitments. At Benshine Bags, our goal is to make the custom process smooth and tailored to your needs. With our dedication to high quality, precision, and customer satisfaction, we're confident we can deliver bags that will exceed your expectations. If you're looking for a reliable partner for custom bag manufacturing, reach out to us at Benshine Bags. Our flexible custom services are designed to support your brand's vision and deliver products that truly stand out. Contact us today to get started.